Hi students, this video is to help you feel comfortable when you're navigating and logging into our online classroom called Schoology. So we're going to start right from the beginning, and in order to get to Schoology, you can go ahead and type in the name. If you want to type Schoology.com, that's fine. If you don't type the .com and you just type in Schoology, I want to show you that what you want to do is log in here where it says Learning Management System, not down here where it says Login Student. I know that's confusing, but go here to this first link. And you're going to click on Login, and you will log in with your Carlos Rosario email and your Carlos Rosario password, which is your ID number. And when you get into Schoology, I have several courses here on my first page, but you will log into our class, which is level 6 AM at Sonia Gutierrez campus, Cheryl Sherwin. All right, first thing you're going to see is a little graphic of our course schedule. And then down here is a folder with course information. And in here you will see, for example, our distance learning guide that's going to give you guidance and advice on how to be a good student in this online environment. We'll look at this later. Here will be class information in our syllabus, and you will also find the school's student handbook in this folder. All right, then you will see there's our video to welcome you to the school and to level 6. And then here you're going to see groups of lessons by what we would call a unit. And our first unit is for the first 2 weeks. It's called Welcome Back, Preparing to Be Successful Online. So you're going to click in here, and then you will see 2 weeks of lessons. This second week will not actually appear on your student screen. So what you will see is this first week, September 8th through the 11th, and you will click in here. And you will see different folders for each day. And for this week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Every day will have basically 2 parts. 3 parts actually. There will be a video of the day to explain the lessons and the activities and expectations for the day. And then you will see 2 more folders. The sync folder is what we are going to do together in Zoom online. The async folder will hold the assignments that you will do independently. So if we look in here, this is what we're going to do in our first Zoom class together. We will review the Welcome to Level 6 video. We're going to take a tour of Schoology and basically do what this video is showing. So this video is for you to review later, or it's for students who aren't able to attend the Zoom class. Then we're going to do a little activity where we're building community and learning to get to know each other. And as always, we're going to finish with a 2-minute meditation. So those are our synchronous activities. The activities that you will be expected to do independently will be in this folder. And again, this is called the asynchronous assignments, and we shorten it to async just to make it easy. So for example, in here, there will be a little introduction. Uh, there will be some information about downloading the Schoology app in case you weren't in the Zoom class. You can review that. Thinking a little bit about what kind of device you have that you're going to be using, and also the assignment for today, Monday, which is let me introduce you to a friend. And this is going to be based on the activity that we do in the Zoom class today. So you will come in here and you will read the instructions carefully, and then you will post your assignment in here. And when you click in here, you'll get a prompt to post after you type your assignment and then click post. So that is the basic setup. Again, to review, in each day's folder, there will be a video to explain the day. There will be the folder that says what we are doing together in Zoom class, and there will be a folder to show what the assignments are that you will do independently. And each week, you will have that similar type of arrangement. So here's the second week, which at this moment you will not be able to see, but I can show you from my teacher screen. And then there are 5 folders, one for each day. And inside each folder will be a video explanation of the lesson. There will be the synchronous activities that we do online together in Zoom, and the asynchronous activities that you will do independently on your own. Okay. In addition to this, the layout or of the course and our weekly activities, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to change my perspective to that of a student, and I'm going to use Caitlin's because she's first. So when you come in, you will see on the side here, in addition to the lessons and the course information, which is what we just looked at, you will also see over here a place where you will see updates or announcements. You will see grades after I have reviewed the assignments that you post. And you will also see a place where you can check your attendance, because I'll be checking or doing attendance every day as well. So these areas here are going to be important for you to check for announcements and see what assignments you've completed or have maybe not completed, what your grade is, and then what your attendance is. All right, and that is our tour of our online class in Schoology. Thank you for listening.